So we'll back in, we'll load some resistance through the band, a little bit of a knee bend, and work on extension. If you feel like the right one is just making too much contact, just put that right one in front. Because my goal is really the left one does the work. I mean, you can even just try this for me. One leg up while the left is pressing back. But let's just see how that goes.
Not like that.
We'll start there, yeah. That looks good. So a couple mini squats.
Is that far enough?
Yeah, that's fine. Because the main thing is really you're bending just so you can extend. I don't care about how deep the bend is. So now let's do a couple with the right leg forward. There you go. And if you need to, you can back up even more, get a little more resistance. There you go. That's it.
You feel it right there.
Yeah. And then let's try a couple with the right foot up. Perfect. That's 5. Let's get 5 more. Now let's turn around so we're facing into the band. And we'll basically do the same thing. So get in a little deeper so it's a little more resistance. Both legs together, couple mini squats. Yep. You're feeling that band help push you back into extension. Now you can move the right foot backward. So the left one's doing everything. And now let's try right foot off the ground. Perfect. We'll do 10, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Take a break.